Hello, 你好. This is Tutor Lee from China. I have been teaching Chinese language for over 10 years. This Chinese pinyin crash course covers 9 lectures, 24 Chinese pinyin finals, which means vowels, and 23 Chinese pinyin initials, which means consonants, and of course 4 tones, which is very challenging for a lot of foreigners. But I use my body language to help you to understand much easier. And if you seriously complete learning and practice, I will guarantee that you will not only pronounce the authentic Mandarin pinyin, but also speak some simple Mandarin, such as 我爱你, which means I love you, 我饿了, which means I'm hungry, 我喜欢吃鱼, which means I like eating fish. Here's my student's review.
Hi, this is Tom from the United Kingdom. Tutor Lee's pronunciation crash course is fantastic. He's really helped my confidence and Chinese pronunciation. 我喜欢学中文.
Okay, learning Chinese actually is full of fun, especially with my body language. So, see you in my session. 一会儿见。